Hi, everybody. So I'd like to put this quick video together to show you exactly how to start your beautiful media presentation. I fielded a few questions about where to begin, what to turn in, and what all of those things look like. So just to be clear, the beautiful media presentation is an informative presentation that is based on how beautiful you can make your dance with the media. Because we've been moved to an online format now, we have to think about what that looks like using PowerPoint or a keynote on a screen with a little talking head somewhere along the frame, like the video I posted last night. So where do you begin? The same place you've always began throughout our entire semester, with the thesis. So here I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to look at the generic speech outline. Here you see the generic speech outline that you've been using all semester. We can go ahead here, we can call this Never Pay for Graduate School. Ooh, tell me more, Chris. Why should I never pay for graduate school? So you come down here, you change your thesis to thinking about grad school, think free. Now, remember, all of your topics, all of your speeches should be something that we in the class care about. I don't want to hear about video games. I don't want to hear about paying college athletes. I don't want to hear about something that everybody already knows about. If we don't need to Google it to find out more, we don't want to hear about it. So what this speech will be about is the fact that you can go to graduate school for free, not pay for it full tuition, but instead receive some aid, a tuition assistantship, maybe some sort of transfer option where you go abroad and you help students who need to speak English or something like that. So that's what you have to do, is think about how can I tell the nice people in my course ways that they can pay for free, go to graduate school without paying anything at all. So what type of attention getter are you going to have here? Well, go ahead and put that in and think about, okay, I'm going to tell the story about my buddy's girlfriend and how she got an English degree at the University of Illinois for free. So we were playing darts on New Year's Eve, turning 2000. She was telling us about going to graduate school there at the University of Illinois and being paid for a full tuition scholarship. And I had never heard about this because I was the only person in my family who went to a big state university. So I had never heard about this free tuition thing. So basically what I would talk about here in my speech is the fact that you can be a GA, a TA, an RA, a researcher. You can be someone who teaches English, and in many cases you can join the military here in the US, or you can be part of the Peace Corps. Should we still have them next month? Then, what's your credibility? Remember, we want to know why you care about this topic, and we want to care about it too. So you are a junior who is broke as a joke, and you're looking for ways to save cash. Okay? But you also know that education is important. Tell us this narrative, and tell us this story. So what you should do is you should continue to finish this topical outline, or you could use chronological, which we studied a little bit on the second and third weeks of class. Once and only when you have this completed, then you should think about the media and the slide deck for your beautiful media presentation. And that, my friends, will be what the next video is all about. So again, to recap, where do I start for the beautiful media speech? First, you should start with the thesis, and then you should go think about this outline and put this outline together. Well, Chris, where do I turn this outline in? You don't. I want you to do this on your end as best you can, as expeditiously as you can, in order to get it done so we can think more about your slide deck, which is coming up next. I'm going to stop sharing this now, and I'm going to post this to our Blackboard page. So have a great day, and I'll see everybody soon.